Your equipment doesn't care if you're short-staffed, up against a deadline, or trying to squeeze in another week out of that worn-down motor. When it goes down, your whole operation does too. But with the right maintenance program, you can keep your machines humming, your downtime low, and your crew focused on what matters. Here's how it works. State's industrial maintenance solutions cover every corner. Degreasers, lubricants, and parts washers built for the tough stuff. Our degreasers cut through buildup without needing hours to soak. Our lubricants are made to protect under pressure and last longer between applications. And our parts washers? They clean, prolong lifespan, and are safe for a wide variety of components. Now here's why it matters. When machines break down, your whole operation pays for it. Every hour of downtime stacks up fast. And in food plants or factories, it's about safety and compliance too. With State, you're getting solutions that reduce wear, extend equipment life, and help you stay audit-ready without compromising safety. From bearings to conveyors, we've got the know-how and the chemistry to back it up. You shouldn't have to choose between performance and peace of mind. With State, you get both. Let's keep your equipment and your operation running strong.